Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Girl channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you the meaning of poke on Facebook. I know most people don't know the word poke, what it means, so I'm going to show you what it means and where to find it on your Facebook. So first thing you have to bear in mind is you should be using the main Facebook app, this one right here. This is the main Facebook app in order to access that feature of the poke on Facebook, and not this one, and not the lights. So if you're using the lights, you won't be able to access poke on Facebook. So now going to the meaning, what it means. So let's search it out. Sorry, poke. Okay, so now it means it's a feature that sends a simple virtual nudge to a friend to get their attention, saying hello or let them know you are thinking of them. So it's just something, once you click on poke, it's going to send a notification to your friends. So now I'm going to show you how to use that on your Facebook. So open up your Facebook and click on the three lines. No, you don't have to click on the three lines. Sorry, you don't have to click on the three lines. You need to click on search bar right there and search for pokes. Once you search for poke, you're going to see this right here, so you can click on that. Click on that, and now you can see your friend's name. So once you click on poke, it's going to send a notification to that person. You understand? So this is what a poke means. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.